Okay, so we got the Ring base station connected. That's what this is. It's required to be plugged in. It also has an Ethernet port on here, so you can plug it in directly to your router. I decided to plug mine in wirelessly. Worked out fine. So the thing you got to be just take note of is that usually they do need to update when they come out of the box. So mine took about 5 minutes to update. I went on the app, logged in, created a username, password, all that stuff. And then once you do that, once you connect it to Wi-Fi or Ethernet, so we did the Wi-Fi option, it downloads an update. Took about 5 minutes for that to go through. So no big deal there. Now I'm going to start adding the first sensors to this thing. So I'm going to follow along here in the app while we are doing that on camera. So the first thing that I'm going to add is this keypad sensor. And one more thing about the base station. This plugs in and requires power, and it has an alarm on it. But you don't need this to disarm your security system. That's what the keypad is for. So you can really put this anywhere, and anywhere that you want it to hear or scare the bad guys away when they come in your house. So I'm actually going to probably put this in my entertainment center, or maybe hide it kind of in a closet where I've got an actual plug to put this somewhere kind of out of sight, out of mind. You can also get auxiliary speakers for this. So not a big deal if you think that you put it one place and you're not going to be able to hear it. No problem. You can get more auxiliary speakers that are going to operate that way. So just this is something to know with that. So now we're going to connect the Ring keypad. So I click on the app here. It says where we place the Ring keypad. I am gonna say once you give you a room name, so I'm gonna put entry. I'm gonna put this right down where I come in. Okay, boom. That's what we're gonna do. It says install your keypad. Place your keypad where it's most convenient. The cable type, nightstand, indication, it's up to you. Well, there's actually a mounting bracket that comes with it. The mounting bracket is off camera here. But you can just screw it in, or there's some adhesive you can use. So I'm going to use the screws and put this thing in. Install your keypad. Next, choose your access code. Oh, the other thing is that this thing, I think for the setup, needs to be plugged in. We'll see if it tells me to do that. Choose your access code. You'll be able to arm and disarm your system and create new code for each person. But let's make one to get started. Can't show you guys that. Okay. So it's putting the access code right now. It's working, and we are going to see what happens. Can't connect to, oh, you know what? It does, it wants me to power this in. This actually, I believe, has a rechargeable battery. So once you charge it up, you can just recharge it. And it just recharges, this is like a micro USB B. Okay, now it does show the battery here. What's nice is that even though the bracket you screw on the wall, it just slides in. There's just some sliding mounts, so it's easy to take off and recharge this thing here. Okay, so it's green. I don't know if I need to wait for this Wi-Fi thing to come on or not. We're going to try this again now that this is green. Success! Okay, access code created. You'll need this to arm or disarm your system. Keep it handy. All right. So next thing we're gonna add, I'm gonna add this motion sensor right here. Okay. So this is the motion sensor. We're gonna add that. It says pull the tab out of the back, so I'm gonna pull the tab out of the back. Sensor isn't connecting. Oh, well, because I didn't have that thing. I did not have the tab pulled out of the back when I pressed the button on the app, but now I have it. It says configuring device. So it's setting up. I don't know if you can see this on the keypad. It is blinking green right here, as in I believe the battery is charging. So we'll see how long that takes to charge up, or I'll look in the documentation here. But this is charging up. It is doing its thing. Oh my gosh. I don't know if you guys will be able to hear me because I had the microphone down here. So we'll keep doing that. Motion sensor. Where am I going to use this? Alarm. Entry. Front door. How motion is reported. Continue. Continue. Test motion detector. You'll see an immediate indication, blah, blah, blah. Assist. All right, the motion detector is added. Now we're gonna add the ring contact sensor. Okay, got it. All right, it's adding device. I get the 8-piece system, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 3 more pieces. The extra 3 pieces comes with a motion detector and with 2 other of these door sensors, open close sensors. Okay. All right. Z-Wave extender. All right, device added. Main door. I'm gonna call this entry, front door. Okay, 2 main parts, the sensor and the magnet. Alexa, off. All right, need more help, continue. Which side does this go? Okay, here we go. Okay, oh, that's cool. It gives a little beep when you open and close the sensor. So it's working, doing its thing.